Hello everyone, we will show you the ultrasonic sealing application of non-woven charcoal packets. The ultrasonic welding system of non-woven packaging is mainly composed of ultrasonic generator, transducer, tool head, etc., which can be customized according to different non-woven materials and sealing requirements. Under the action of ultrasonic vibration energy, the non-woven charcoal package accurately welds the edges of the non-woven fabric together, and the sealing is firm and the sealing is good. The sealing speed is fast, the efficiency is high, the sealing is beautiful, firm and environmentally friendly. It is often used in synthetic fiber fabrics, non-woven fabrics, spray cotton wool, thermoplastic films, etc. Learn more, please follow me.